I bought a 1.7 gigabyte data bundle for only 3 CD60 pesewas on MTN Ghana, and I'm very excited to share exactly how I achieved this. If you want more videos like this, then do well to subscribe to the channel and comment, "I want more." Let's get started. First, pick up your phone and dial *141#. This is the magic code we are using for the cheap data bundle packages. This offer is called MTN just for you. Once you've dialed it, wait for the available data packages and their prices to be displayed. Make sure you have enough airtime on your phone because you won't be able to purchase these bundles with mobile money. Trust me. I've tried, and it doesn't work. So, load up your airtime and be ready to make a purchase. Next, browse through the offers. The packages and prices change often, so keep an eye out for the best deal. If you don't see a good offer right now, don't worry. Just keep trying, as the options can change throughout the day. I've noticed that the package I buy most often is usually the one that pops up first. So once you find a deal you like, keep using it. It'll likely be offered to you again. And that's it. Super quick and easy to get 1.7 gigabytes for just 3.60 cedis. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving it a thumbs up to support my efforts. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.